What is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to a new video. Today we are at the park. As you can see, beautiful cloudy sunset, and it's been pretty much too windy to fly all day today, about 40 or 50 mile per hour winds. So yeah, it's finally died down just a little bit. There's a steady like 10 mile per hour gust, I believe. And we have two planes today. We've got the FT Bloody Baron right here and the FT Arrow over there. So we're gonna fly them tonight. I'm gonna be flying the FT Bloody Baron in this video, and stay tuned for the FT Arrow video coming very soon. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing all ready to go. All right, so there's the sound we're looking for. We got a replaced receiver in this thing, although I realized that it was just a slight connection issue and bind communication error that caused those brownouts earlier, so I think we're good to go. But I switched it out with the receiver on the Bloody Wonder, so I think we're gonna have 100% better reception on this thing, because the Maiden was a bit of a nightmare in that sense. But here we go, launching slightly into the wind right here. Turned a nice and chill launch, just really fast plane. Obviously it's not chill at all, so it's kind of hard to keep orientation actually in this darker situation right here. But need some down trim. There we go. This thing is crazy fast. This is on the minimum settings that I would fly it on, which is 3S 10x7 prop. That's cool. Very touchy, especially going in the wind. So that's one thing, if you guys are building a Bloody Baron, keep that in mind if you're flying anywhere in a windy area. Like I have a lot of wind where I live for some reason. Flying good, zero connection issues so far, and it's nice that you can see that red light from the receiver, so if it ever goes out, either on that or on the satellite, you know that you're in trouble. But obviously I haven't seen it go out at all. And if you see it goes out, that's just because you can't see it because it's being blocked by the rest of the airplane. But no, it's not. That's pretty obvious, but got taken by the wind up there a little bit. A little bit unpredictable in the wind. Take a little cross gust and it'll blow you 90 degrees to the side, and then you gotta not only complete your turn, but you gotta correct that a little bit. Yeah, keeping it a few mistakes high just in case we either lose control of it or orientation or something like that. Since being a touchy fast airplane, obviously things go wrong really fast, so especially in these low visibility nights like this. Yeah, but it is nice and smooth, and that's props to the props to the Sunny Sky motor on there and the Gempan prop. But it's flying super smooth, super smooth. The motor setup is really nice on this thing, and I was previously running a bent out of shape Turnigy 2836 on here motor with a 9x6 prop, and there's just vibrations everywhere for some reason. I don't know if it was just the motor being less of a build quality or whatever it was, but this is just so much smoother and it's a much more enjoyable flight experience on this plane. You can see nice linear rolls on here pretty much all day long. You can roll and it'll travel straight and, you know, be more like a football rather than kind of being off kilter there. One thing that Bloody Baron is usually not good at is going slow. If you guys watched our earlier video, you know that I kind of butchered the landing a little bit just because it's going too slow. Kind of stalled it out. It's pretty dramatic when it stalls. I'll actually do a stall right here. You can see go up and kind of just got to power out of it. And that's the nice thing when you have full vertical on this plane, that you can obviously get out of it really quick. But if you're running Power Pack B on this, or something that's not going to give you complete power authority in all situations, then yeah, you might be in trouble if you keep going too slow, because you can see I just pop it up right here, and then I don't even know what to do. You kind of gotta wait for it to reacclimate and do its thing, and then regain control after that. So yeah, let's go ahead and bring this in for a landing. It's getting hard to see. I'm basically just judging off which way it's facing, basing off the light, that if I can see it or not. So yeah, let's go ahead and bring it in. Just keep down pressure, and then pull up at the very last second and plop it down. Just like that. Let's go over and walk to it. You can see this time the motor did not come off, which is always good, except for it did come out a little bit, which is interesting. I don't know if that's just from flying it around or what, but either way, we're gonna go ahead and repair that, maybe add some glue on there. But yeah, that's the flight. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.